When you were little, did you ever think that a simple windmill could one day power the world? Did you think that those pretty little fans could one day be the future of electricity? Well, it could, or maybe not.
Studies and research have shown that it is possible to power the world using windmills. But how? Let us take you through it.
When a windmill turns, it generates electricity. When the blades turn, it is connected to a drive shaft, which then is connected to an electric generator. Even though it is possible, it would take at least 1 billion massive windmills to power the globe, and a whole lot of money. It is also closely related to solar energy, as it can't be powered all the time. So when the wind stops or the sun goes down, there is no power. So we would need a number of primary resources like, in this point in time we use fossil fuels and a minute amount of solar and wind energy in comparison to the fossil fuels. So what would happen if the wind didn't blow hard enough to turn these wind turbines? The answer is simple. We would struggle, as everyone needs electricity, as we are so accustomed to what we know and use. How would we move fast enough to keep up with the demand of our everyday life? It's simple logic. We would need enough wind turbines to power the machines that create them. Although if we decided last minute, when we were nearly out of fossil fuels, and to use wind power instead, we couldn't, as we need electricity to build these energy converting machines. But it's not all bad.
Wind energy, unlike fossil fuels, is renewable, so it means that it can be used over and over again. So we wouldn't need to keep building after we reach enough to power our needs. It also helps us clean our air by not releasing any greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, therefore starting to clean the air. Wind is one of our natural resources, which means it is free. This means the price of electricity will go down dramatically within years, as over recent years the price of electricity has risen dramatically. They occupy a smaller space than the average power station, leaving room for more livestock if they are placed in the rural area. Although the rural areas have electricity, it would be easier for them to access. So back to the main question. Could the world be powered by windmills one day? What's your opinion?
Thank you for watching this episode.
Oh.
We probably need to cut that, don't we?
Yeah. Can we edit it?
Yeah.